Hey guys, good morning. Today I'm going to be filming a little bit of a day in the life vlog. Never really done one of these before, but I've seen quite a few of them lately from some other people, and I really like watching them, even though, I mean, they're some of the most boring videos ever, but there's something about them that just, like, I like to watch them. I don't know why, but not really doing a whole lot today, just kind of some chores around the house. Gonna be doing a little bit of cooking later, so I figured I'd take you guys along with me for that, show you what recipe I'm using. So just kind of a lot of boring stuff today, but I figured if you're into that sort of thing, you can watch it. If not, you don't have to. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get started with our day.
Keep yourself from going on the block at any one nomination ceremony or veto meeting.
As you can see, I've just been doing a little bit of cleaning in the house today. If you're wondering why I have these on, a lot of the time when I'm cleaning, I'm running the vacuum a lot because our floors just get so dirty with having a dog. So I'm constantly vacuuming up Lefty's hair. So since I'm always running the vacuum, I can never hear if I'm wanting to listen to music, or I've actually been listening to a book on Audible. So if you guys are interested in knowing what book it is, I'll go ahead and show you. It's just called The Woman in the Window. It's super good, so I highly recommend it. I personally like to actually read it in physical form, but I had a free Audible trial, so I just decided to get this because it's kind of expensive. It was like a $15 book, so if I got it in the free Audible trial, I got it for free. Another thing I like to listen to when I'm cleaning with my headphones on is podcasts. I'm really obsessed with anything true crime. If you guys haven't heard of True Crime Obsessed, that is what I'm currently listening to, so it's really good. I love anything true crime based, and this one is also super funny, so go ahead and check it out if you haven't already. snack or lunch or something. I'm really craving pineapple, so I'm probably not even gonna have like a lunch per se. It's probably gonna be more like a snack because I'm probably just gonna cut up some pineapple and eat it. I crave pineapple constantly. I mean, even more so, I mean, it's summertime, so I obviously crave it a lot more in the summertime, but pineapple is seriously my favorite fruit. I would probably eat some for every meal if it wasn't for the fact that if you eat, I don't know if this has ever happened to you guys, but if you eat too much pineapple, you can get like, I think it's like, are they called canker sores if they're on the inside of your mouth? Anyways, I never knew that until I ate way too much pineapple one day. I think I ate like 3 bowls of pineapple because I just couldn't get enough of it, and I got these horrible sores in my mouth and I didn't know what it was from. Jeremiah was the one that told me, yeah, you probably ate too much pineapple. So anyways, I'm going to have an appropriate sized serving of pineapple so I don't get any pineapple sores in my mouth. So I'm finally done cleaning and I think I'm gonna start dinner here pretty quick. So I'm going to be making kind of like a copycat Olive Garden Zuppa Toscana. I'm probably going to show you guys a few of the steps like as I'm making it, but I'm probably not going to film the entire thing because that would probably take like a really long time. I will put a link to the video of the recipe that I use for the soup. It's just a version of it that I got from Schuerman. If you guys don't already watch her, you definitely should. She's amazing. So she did a like complete recipe video. So I will leave that in the description box so that you guys can go ahead and check it out, and it'll just be totally easy for you guys because it'll be a complete video for you guys to watch. Maybe I'll do another video sometime of me making something else and it'll kind of be like a step-by-step thing. So if anybody would like to see that, go ahead and let me know. But other than that, I'm going to get started cooking here in a few minutes. So the soup is done. The recipe does not call for mushrooms, obviously, but we like to have mushrooms in our potato soup. So I went ahead and put some mushrooms in there. So it is pretty much all finished. So I am going to sit down and have a bowl of this, maybe watch some Netflix or something. Oh my gosh, you guys, this looks and smells so good. I'm so excited to eat it. This is like my favorite soup of like all time. It really is. My poor husband is still at work, so he doesn't get to have any of this while it's fresh, but I am leaving the pot on the stove and he will get to have some as soon as he gets home. Hey guys, it's getting pretty late, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. I have a sleepy little dog that I think is probably gonna fall asleep here pretty quick on me, so I probably won't be getting up too many more times tonight to do anything else. So anyways, if you stuck around this long for this little boring vlog, then I thank you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.